Hello everyone. We're back with another video, showcasing the repair and restoration of a severely damaged rear axle. In this process, without the use of any specialized equipment or advanced tools, the axle is skillfully repaired and restored to working condition. Our craftsman carefully brings the crack together using a lever hoist and a hydraulic cylinder jack, applying controlled force to precisely align the damaged axle. After the crack in the axle has been brought together, the damaged section is manually welded using an acetylene torch. After welding, the chain and jack are released so that the upper part of the axle crack can also be welded, but first, the upper section must be properly aligned. Nuts are welded to the upper part, on both sides of the crack, and by threading a bolt between them, the crack is pulled together. After the crack has been pulled together, the section is welded using electric arc welding. Once the crack is secured, the bolts and nuts are removed from the axle so that the remaining sections can be welded. In this axle welding process, standard industry tack welds are used, which are both cost-effective and technically sound. The first weld is done with an acetylene gas torch, followed by electric arc welding. After both electric arc and acetylene welding, the crack is welded once more to achieve maximum. The welding continues from the back of the crack and inside the axle housing as well, ensuring it reaches maximum strength. After welding, a welding flux stone is applied to the weld area to protect it from oxidation and other environmental damage. After grinding and sanding, the entire welded area is smoothed and leveled to ensure a clean and uniform appearance. After the grinding and sanding process is completed, the weld area is reheated so that the welding flux can be reapplied, providing protection for the weld. additional sheet of metal is welded onto the upper part of the axle to both increase structural strength and provide extra protection to that area. After completing the work, the craftsman fills the axle housing with a container of water to ensure the component and welds are fully sealed. If you enjoyed this content, you can help us reach a wider audience by following our page, liking, and sharing this video. Thank you, and God bless.